center target. Here we go. Stand by. Easy. That was slow, actually. It was 5:18. I had, I think, two Charlies, which was the draw and reload's a little slow on that. The splits and transitions were pretty similar. Reload was a. Picked up too many shots. 146 to the first shot. And a 143 reload. I'm going to try it one more time. Just to see. Pretty good hits though. That's not too bad. 518 down. 2 short. Check your settings. Alright. Stand by. That was a 463. That was a little better there. Go ahead. A few more Charlies there, but 463, 135, 120. I hit my load a lot better. It's 2/3 of a second faster. Like I say, the USPSA load, normally if I do this correctly, I should be under 5 seconds. And that's kind of the points I'm looking for. Up the hit factors, I'm only losing maybe 1/3 of a second for a C. So if I shot 3 C's, actually on this one it'd be less. It'd almost be like 1/4 of a second. So if I shot 4 C's, it's almost the same as a second. If I shot this 90 PA, I wouldn't go that fast because I'm losing a whole half a second. I'm probably losing twice as much. I'm going to slow down just a little bit. This is where the fiber optic kind of helps. That's all I'm seeing there. I'm just seeing a little fiber back and forth across the target.